Should you learn BIM or CAD in 2025? Both are powerful tools, but which one will secure your career in the coming years? Let's start with CAD, short for computer-aided design. CAD has been the backbone of engineering and architecture for decades. It's used to create precise 2D drawings and 3D models for everything from buildings to mechanical parts. BIM, or Building Information Modeling, is more than just drawing. It's a process that creates smart 3D models linked with data, geometry, materials, time, cost, and even facility management. Now, how do they really differ? CAD is great for simple drafting and mechanical design, but BIM is designed for collaboration, automation, and real-world coordination. So, what does the future hold? In 2025, more governments and private firms are making BIM mandatory for large-scale projects. The demand for BIM experts is rising, especially in architecture, construction, and infrastructure. If you're aiming for a career in construction, architecture, or infrastructure development, BIM is your future. But if you're into mechanical design, product development, or 2D-based industries, CAD still holds strong value. Want to future-proof your career? Learn both. Many professionals start with CAD and transition to BIM. It's a powerful combo. So, BIM or CAD? What are you going to learn in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AEC content, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future uploads.